$10 a piece.
$10 a piece.
How many got in there?
6.
I'll take all of it. Will you do 50?
Sure.
Okay, I'll take all of it. Let's cook some pigeon. Are you waiting, Annie? You waiting to eat? Waiting to eat. Look how you look at your lips. That. Now add the pepper. Bruce time. Ooh, wish I could smell this. Super delicious. Yep. Almost ready, and these nuts. Stir, boy. Ooh. Stir from the bottom up. It's so good. Smell, man. Wish I could smell it. Now that's all good, it's time to enjoy the pigeon. Got some rice, you got some pepper, papaya salad. Let me try. Get all the flavor together. Super good. That's the pigeon time. Gotta know. This is the pigeon. You see the feet? It's pretty good. So my favorite stomach. I wouldn't waste any of these. I try some of my favorites. Right here, that's the nut right here. The heart. Remember? The ball. Scrape it out. Look at that. Like it spicy. A little bit of pepper. Papaya right here. Look at that piece of meat. Skin on. And a little bit of juice. Nothing is better than this. You know it. You gotta take the wing. A pigeon can fly. Look at the wing is like almost like a chicken wing. Super good. Spicy. Good weather. That's what's up right here. Everything to be in here. Everything on the breast. Put it on here. A little bit of the papaya into it too. That one bite, little bit of rice. One bite, you know, perfect bite right there. Mm. You never had pigeon before? Missing a lot. So people just cut out the breast, but us Hmong people like to eat the whole thing. Ooh, and nice, good, and spicy, and yep, piece of my favorite, man. Right here at the stomach part. Love it. Be spicy. Get a little bit of rice. Perfect, perfect bite. I look for something. I look for the, you know it. Gotta get the hair. Now people just threw the hair away, but not me. Crack it open. Little brain. Use your finger. Swipe up the brain. Good to go. Really buttery. Really soft. Delicious. One thing with people, they get a pigeon, they just cut out the meat, wrap it with bacon, and all you can take is just pork. That's the way to eat it. Straight up bird. Straight up pigeon. Yep. No bacon flavor to it. This is one of my favorite. Teach y'all to eat it. The back, the tail. Usually they have a little bit of a chemical fat right here. You want to bite that off. Now it's good, clean. So don't get that oily chemical flavor to your mouth. I give this to my dog. I love my dog. They love me, they love the bone. Now it's straight up bone, but say a little bit of meat in here too. Don't clean that all the way. A little bit of meat. Probably gonna throw this on a little bit of breast too. I love my dog. I use it the neck, skin, and the hair. Use that as feed to my dog. Ooh, look at that breast. Put a little bit of recipe ingredient into it. Want to taste it. It did really good. Really good. There's something I want to show you guys. For Timu, got this beautiful knife from Timu. Super sharp. Got the name for Japan. Super nice. Super sharp. I did all the work with this knife, all the pigeon. For the chopping and the cutting. Alright, thank you for watching the video. And I don't know what to say, but go get yourself some pigeon. Usually they sell for like Craigslist $25. Sometimes you be looking at the find like $15 a bird. But usually I go to the swap place, the animal trade, the farm, get it for like $6 to $10 a bird, pigeon. So super good, and thank you for watching. And Peace out.